Yeah, it's much cooler now,
Yeah.
but I don't see anything twirling around. That's what they do. They twirl around. I feel rain. Well, there's people running around, but I don't see anything yet. And all I'm filming are lights. Lights, and that's all. What do you study?
I work here.
Oh, you work here. Oh, okay.
Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
It's great. I like it. It's something a little different and unusual.
Well, the siren's off. It must be okay now.
And they get to use all their, that equipment that just sits idle most of the time, and the big voice. It sounds like the voice of God talking, like attention.
The rapture is currently.
That's it. We'll get all. Ooh, yeah. Look at that over there.
Yeah, I was sitting in my room and I went to the Weather Channel online, looked at the Doppler, and there was a shitstorm coming our way.
Really?
It's
Well, I live in a brick house, but this I think even looks dirtier. This is made out of metal and concrete, isn't it?